welcome to the 5 o'clock news. My name is Stefan He and here's today's headlines. People has caught and raised money for a turtle. A pufferfish has made his nest at Safari World. Puppets is the latest craze which is popping all around the world. But here's our latest story of the last golden ticket found by Charlie Bucket. Last month, Mr. Willy Wonka has sent out 5 golden tickets all around the world, and he's let 5 people to go inside his factory. Now we go over to Mission with Charlie Bucket.
Thank you, Yufan. I am at the Bucket resident with our lucky winner, Charlie Bucket. Charlie, can you tell us how you won this stupendous prize?
Well, when I was on my way from home, from school, I found £10 in the gutters. So then I rushed to the local shop and I bought 2 Wonka bars. The second Wonka bar had the astonishing golden ticket inside it.
Wow, if I were you, I'd be super shocked and surprised. So, have you made your decision of who you're going to be taking?
Yes, I have. I'm going to take Grandpa Joe because he knows more about Mr. Wonka, and he used to work for him at the factory until he lost his job there.
So can we call Mr. Grandpa Joe? We're now going to ask Grandpa Joe and Mrs. Bucket, Charlie's mother, to come and join us in this interview. So Mrs. Bucket, how do you feel about your son winning this prestigious prize?
We're all really excited. We all thought that he had no chance of winning because he only gets 1 chocolate bar a year.
Grandpa Joe, we've heard that you've been working for Mr. Willy Wonka. Can you tell us more about him?
Yes, I worked there many years ago, and I can't wait to see his secret ingredients again and his secret rooms.
Wow. So thank you for joining us in this interview. We now go back to Yufan He.
Thanks, Mishan, and don't leave yet because we've got more news streaming up after the break.